guys, today we're gonna be a smoothie challenge. Smoothie challenge. Okay, and we get to pick each other's ingredients. Okay. Right. So I'll start. What do I don't want to get? Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time.
Wait, I get that peanut butter?
You get a little bit in your cup. Okay. So, peanut butter.
No, that's good.
Now 2 of these scoops. Okay. Peanut butter.
Right, my turn.
Well, I'm just gonna put the other used things over here.
My turn. You getting some syrup?
Can I put one thing? Oh my god.
Let's go.
Okay, good. Go put it over there.
Why are we using sticky stuff?
No. Sticky. I'm gonna pick Pepsi.
This I get something good.
Anybody fall?
No, I get to pick peach yogurt.
I said we're not doing that.
I pick orange.
Ew.
Whole thing.
I hate yogurt. It's disgusting.
Yogurt's good for you, and I love this card.
Okay, good.
Ew, I dropped it.
No, not this. Oh, we don't want that.
No, they throw it at me. No one's gonna like this video, probably.
But it's something I don't want. Strawberry.
Oh, I hate
Strawberry.
strawberries.
Can we get 4 in there? Ew.
Ew. Great, my turn. I'll put some strawberry syrup.
Oh, that's nice. Mine's pretty good right now. Got some yogurt.
Oh, frick, the lid.
What's in mine?
Syrup. Yogurt.
Yeah, that's actually pretty good.
Right.
Some creamer. The coffee.
We used that in our next video.
Probably don't mind too, because I like creamer.
Right. I'll put some milk in his. I'll put some milk in his.
What the heck are you doing this?
Yeah.
Oh, milk. Oh my gosh, this is good. It's going to be like Starbucks kale.
I didn't put milk in.
Strawberry collage. And you want this, right? I'll put it on mine.
Hey!
Hey.
Now I'm gonna get more cream in there. Oh, it's all out. Good.
You used all of it?
It was already, there's only a little bit in there. Unless it's scared a whole bunch of
Guys,
it.
please don't let her play underneath the sink.
And she's not underneath the sink.
Why are they open?
This is the sink. It's not open.
Right.
Okay,
Is
now
there
it's going to
drink or
mix
stuff?
it. No, you have to mix it.
Dang it.
Mix it. Oh, wait.
We have the lids.
Yeah, but I don't think it's going to work. Yeah, it's still working. Okay, mine's mixed. Okay, now I'm going to mix yours.
Yeah, shake it.
Okay, you drink first. You drink? You gotta drink it. Like all of it. I'm gonna clean this up. What's the floor?
Mine's pretty good.
It smells really bad. You put peanut butter in there.
Yeah, it smells really good though. Hey, it tastes really good.
Ew, this is good. Yeah. Oh,
I know Castle Mud.
tastes yours. It's good. This tastes good too. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. Mine's better. Little sister!
Hi, guys.
Just because Jaden was in the elevator. Okay, boy. Bye!